Hey guys, JB from BigRedEDC here once again with another knife review for Knives Illustrated. Today we're going to be checking out the Kansept Kryo. Now the Kryo is designed by Kim Ning. Kim Ning is also the founder of Kansept Knives. You may remember him as the production manager and designer for Kaiser, but he has since left Kaiser, struck out on his own, and developed the Kansept knife brand. Today we're going to be looking at the full-size Kryo. There is a mini Kryo out on the market as well. You have two different versions of the Kryo. You have the blacked out version as we have here, and then you have what I consider, a more traditional, like your silver grayish titanium with a satin finish. Full titanium handle. Got the blue anodized hardware there. Very open construction. Some silver standoffs. Then you have the purple anodized pocket clip, right or left hand, tip up carry. As you see there, it is a frame lock. Now on this one, the screw is not anodized blue for your hardened steel insert on the frame lock. It is a flipper, primarily. No jimping on the flipper tab, but it has a really nice shape to it that really allows for some great light switch action. Running on ceramic ball bearings. The action on this knife is really, really nice. Pretty much exactly the way I prefer a knife to act. Quick shape, shake, and it drops shut. Now, there is a large hole there. Can this knife be Spidey flicked? Yes. If you're not Spidey flick challenged like I am, you can. I have done it. I'm not going to do it on camera because I fail more times than not. But I will tell you that the detent is really, really well dialed in for that flipper tab. And the biggest thing is just breaking the detent when you're Spidey flicking. But yes, you can. Trust me. Let's get some specs on it real quick here. Fully open, you're looking at right about 8 inches. Handle is, just shy of 4.5 inches. The official blade length is 3.58, which that's looking pretty much dialed in. Your cutting edge, right about 3.5 inches. Something I usually point out in most of my reviews. 1, 2, 3, about 3 3/4 inches on the grip length. And that's pretty much how it looks in my 3 3/4 inch hand. Full 4-finger grip. Full 4-finger, very comfortable grip, I might add. We'll get a weight on it here real quick. Grams. 122 grams or 4.3 ounces. Carries really nice in pocket. Not overly deep carry, but not too bad. You're looking at about that much sticking out of your pocket, so not bad. Pretty much your standard 1/2 inch that I see on most knives as far as what's protruding out of the pocket. Overall, guys, the Kryo is a very, very well-built knife, in my opinion. Extremely comfortable. Ergos are fantastic in pretty much any grip you would want to employ. Very, very comfortable. No hot spots. Chamfering is done. Everything is chamfered, smoothed out. No sharp edges. Just a really, really well-made knife. As I said, there's a Kryo, the mini Kryo, out as well. And then, of course, the Warrior are some other models available from Kansept Knives. These sell for right around $190, $200. So S35EN full titanium, that's not too bad. But thanks a lot, guys, for checking out the review of the Kryo, the Kansept Kryo, with me today. As always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of all the other podcasts, reviews, and stuff available on Knives Illustrated. We'll talk to you next time, guys. Bye-bye.